Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to join Shein affiliate program. Now, first you'll have to download the application on your phone, then you should open it on your phone, and now you should sign up. And once you sign up, here you can find an option saying here in the Me section, share and earn. You just have to click on it. And after that, you should now copy this code. And now when people try to sign up using this code, you will get a 15% offer for you and a 15% off for your friends. So I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to send it to myself. And now I'm going to open Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, or any platform that I can actually use in order to share this link. And now let's choose any product. Let's say that I'm going to search here for eyeglasses, for example. Then here I have this option. I have this product. And after opening Pinterest, I'm going to click on create just right here. Then now I'm going to go and open this product pictures and I will copy any one of them. So now I'm going to upload the photo and add here any title. Let's say that these are eyeglasses. I can actually copy the same name just from here. Copy it like this. Then here you should type anything in the description. And once you type anything, you should also paste the link that they have gave you right here. Paste it also right here. Then choose a brand. And now it will show you this message in some cases. In this case, you should now go to bit.ly and just paste the URL right here in bit.ly. And you can use it in order to do some modifications for the link itself like this. Then click on get your link for free. You just have to continue with Google. And once you sign in, you just have to go to links, then click on create link, then get the link right here, paste it. Then here you can type in anything custom that you can use. Then I'm going to click on create link. Here in my case, because I actually use this one, here I have the link. As you can see, I can copy it, then go back to Pinterest, add it right here, and also add it right here, and choose the board that I need. Let's say accessories, for example. Then I'm going to tag it. I'm going to type here some name tags. I'm going to type here eyeglasses, for example, etc. Then what you should do is to simply click on publish. And now once people choose to click on this link or this product, it will automatically redirect them to the sign up on Shein. And by this way, they will also check the product and you will get the offer. And by this way, you can join Shein affiliate. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.